Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lindsay, and I am back today with another human hair wig from SHEIN. Yes, you guys heard correctly. I did receive this wig from SHEIN, and this is my second time working with SHEIN. Now I'm very excited to give you guys details about this wig because first of all, it's been a while since I have reviewed red hair or red wig. It's been a while since I've even had red hair or red wig. So I'm very excited to give you guys all the deets about this one. Now this is a bob. Of course, I will let you guys know how I feel about it a little bit later in the video, but she is super cute. Y'all know I'm not a pro at installing wigs, so I did the best that I can do for the sake of this video, but I'm really excited to give you guys the details about this one, okay? So if you are not familiar with my wig reviews, I will show you guys construction of the cap, then I will give you guys some more details about the wig, and then finally I will let you guys know how I feel about the wig. Now there is a code that SHEIN provided me for this video. It is not the same code from my first collab, but with this code you will get a free gift with your purchase. So make sure you guys check the description box below for all the details concerning this wig. Along with that code, check the pinned comment down below as well. And of course, towards the end of the video, I will have it right here on the screen for you guys. But anywho, if you are interested in hearing all about this red bob that you guys see me wearing right now, then keep watching. I did forget to let you guys know that, of course, this video is sponsored by SHEIN. I did tell you guys that this is my second time working with the company, so they did provide me everything. This wig that I picked out to review, all of that stuff. So I did want to make sure I let you guys know that this is a sponsored video. So as you guys saw from the previous clip, this wig has 4 combs. It has 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the center front, and 1 comb in the back. It also has an adjustable strap, and it has an elastic band that you are able to adjust, of course. It's one of those elastic bands that's pretty much on the back of your bra. I think I've said it before, I'm not really a fan of those, but with this wig, it's doing its job so far. Now, of course, this wig is a lace front wig, but it is a 13x4x1. So it's only a middle part, and this part was lace. Of course, I cut it off for the sake of this video. Now, it does have a little lace in the back in case you want to glue or spray that down if you wanted to, you know, somehow put the hair in some type of ponytail. I don't know. Now also, SHEIN did provide me with some hair glue. I think it's like a lace remover, edge brush. It looks like some edge control maybe. And then 2 elastic bands to help, you know, lay the lace down in the front. So I really do appreciate that. Now, as you guys saw as well, I did use the glue today along with some other stuff that I normally use to install the wig. So let's go ahead and jump into some more details about this wig. All right, so once again, this wig is from SHEIN. This is their T-Part 99J Burgundy Short Straight Human Hair Bob wig. Now, the length that I have is 14 inches, and it retails right now, it looks like for about $48.58. Very, very affordable, okay? And once again, this is human hair. Of course, this is SHEIN, so you know SHEIN is all about saving a little bit more money compared to other places. So I'm all for spending less for a good quality wig, okay? I wouldn't lie to you guys. So far, the quality of this wig, I absolutely love it, okay? So once again, this is burgundy and reddish, or SBUG/99J. Now, this is human hair, but this is Indian hair. It is perm. The heat tolerance is 220 degrees Celsius. Once again, this is a T-part wig, so it's only a middle part. So if you don't want to wear it as a middle part, and you want the part on the side, you would have to switch the wig to whichever side you want the part on, and then of course it would be more so of an asymmetrical wig. Again, it is a bob wig. The lace color is transparent. Density is 150%. Again, the lace is 13x4x1. And that is pretty much it. I want to make sure I'm not leaving anything out. So once again, make sure you guys check the description box below for all the details. Now, there's 2 ways that you guys can find this wig. You can either click on the direct link that is in the description box, or you can click on Find More link to discover more currently trending wigs. Then type in the search bar human hair wigs on SHEIN to choose from. So getting back into this wig, I did flat iron her out a little bit. I did use my hot comb a little bit in some areas. I did not come back on camera to do that because I was already in the bathroom and had my stuff there. So I just went ahead and just left that footage out. But I did flat iron a little bit. I'm gonna have to go back over it with the flat iron. I mean, it's pretty straight, but as y'all can see, it's some areas that, you know, are being stubborn that I would have to go back over with the flat iron. Now, I did use my Gots to Be spray up here. I just sprayed it just to lay this part down a little bit because this part was a little bit humpy. As y'all can see, it still is, but not as much, okay? So I did use some products that I usually use to help melt the lace. Y'all know I'm not a pro at installing wigs, but I did the best that I could do for this video. Now, I did add some powder on the lace. You can still see it, but it's not too bad. Far away, it's not too bad. Of course, up close and personal, you guys can see it. But it's fine. It is fine. But yes, I'm really loving this wig. It is 14 inches if I have not said it already. I do wish that I would have went a little bit shorter, maybe 12 inches, but I normally don't get a 14-inch bob wig. So yeah, I went ahead and got 14 inches. Now, of course, I could cut it if I want to. I'm probably not, but I like this wig. The hair is extremely soft, very soft. I'm loving the color. I love me some burgundy. Burgundy is one of my favorite colors. And when it comes to hair, I love it. Because this is not too bright. It's not too dark. It's just the way that I like it. So it is really, 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 really cute. So that is pretty much it for this video. I do want to thank SHEIN for reaching out to me and asking me to review this wig. I really do appreciate it. And of course, I will be working with them again in the future. You guys let me know down below in the comments what you think about this wig as far as the color, the texture, the length, all that. Would y'all rock this wig? How do y'all feel about SHEIN wigs, okay? Have you tried a SHEIN wig? Do you like the quality of their wigs? Let me know all of that down below in the comments, okay? So as I stated earlier, there is a code for you guys to use at checkout to get you a free gift from SHEIN with your purchase. And that code is WIGS for you. Everything is lowercase, so it's lowercase WIGS, the number 4, and the letter U. So make sure you guys put that in the little discount code box at checkout if you would like to receive a free gift with your order. Of course, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share this video with your family and friends. If you're a new subscriber, welcome. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click that subscribe button as well as post notification bell so you're not missing a new upload from yours truly. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and I will see you in my next one.